Alright folks, get her round because we've got some seriously exciting news for all the ARV enthusiasts out there, especially those of us who love a good, well-crafted Class B motorhome. The buzz is all about the UP coming 2026 Pleasureway, and let me tell you, they are not holding back. This is the kind of rig that makes you want to hit the open road from coast to coast, from Tofino all the way to St. John's. For 2026, Pleasureway is sticking with what works by adding some very clever refinements. We're still talking about those premium Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, which are just fantastic for driving comfort and reliability. But the big talk is the new optional interior color scheme they're introducing. We're wearing about a modern, light gray and oak wood package that is just going to make these interiors feel even more spacious and bright. Perfect for those long Canadian winters when you need every bit of light you can get. It's a real home away from home feel. Now, on the tech side, Pleasureway is really stepping it up. The world is integrating even more seamless smart home technology. We're talking possible app-based control for your lighting, your thermostat, and even your monitoring systems right from your phone. Imagine checking your freshwater tank levels or turning on the furnace to warm up the coach before you even leave the ski hill. That's a game changer for comfort and convenience, eh? They're also rumored to be enhancing their electrical system. We might be looking at even larger lithium battery banks as standard, paired with more powerful inverters. This means more freedom to boondock off-grid without needing to worry about power. You can run your induction cooktop, your espresso machine, and your laptop for hours without a hitch. For those of us who love to get away from it all in the backcountry of BC or the Rockies, that's a massive selling point. And let's talk build quality, because that's where Pleasureway has always shone. They're a Canadian company, and they build these things to handle our unique conditions. The insulation is top-notch, ready for a chilly night in the Yukon, and the cabinetry is still that solid, handcrafted woodwork we love. It's built to last through rough roads and many adventures. The 2026 models are expected to continue that legacy of durability and thoughtful design that just makes sense for Canadian travelers. Of course, the floor plans remain super functional. The rear washroom layout is a favorite for good reason, offering a proper enclosed bathroom, ideal when you're traveling with a partner. The galley kitchens are surprisingly well equipped with the sans counter space and residential steel fridge. It's all about maximizing every square inch without ever feeling cramped. It's the perfect setup for a couple looking to explore every nook and cranny of this beautiful country, from the maritime to the prairie. So, if you're in the market for a premium, no compromise Class B motorhome that's built with Canadian adventures in mind, the 2026 Pleasureway is absolutely one to watch. The official details and full spec are still coming down the pipe, but the early word suggests that they've been listening to owners and are making some fantastic updates. This could very well be the ultimate home on wheels for our great northern roads. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates, and we'll let you know the moment we hear more.